Hello students, in last video we had started chapter 8 division and we had completed first two exercise. Today we will start with exercise 3. Fill in the blanks to complete the division fact for the given multiplication fact. First we have to understand the division facts for multiplication fact. Suppose there is a multiplication 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Okay, this is called multiplication fact जिसमें multiply हो रहा है. Okay, this is multiplication fact. Now from this multiplication fact we can write two division facts. Two division facts from one multiplication. First, if we divide this product, okay, by any of the number, suppose 3. Okay, first we have taken 3. When we divide 12 by 3, we get the second number. Okay, when we divide the product by first number, we get the second number as answer, and when we divide the product by second number, we will get the first number. So this is the first division fact and this is the second division fact. Okay, now exercise question number first. 3 into 5 is equals to 15. This is multiplication fact. Now the first division fact is 15. The product, when we divide it by first number, we will get the second number as answer. Okay, जब आप इस प्रोडक्ट को 15 को फर्स्ट नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको सेकंड नंबर मिलेगा 5. Now when we divide the product 15 by second number, then we will get the answer as first number, means 3. Okay, and this type of division we had done in last exercise. Okay, this one like this. Okay, 6 divided by 3 2, 10 divided by 5 2. That means 15 is divided into 5 equal parts and each part contains 3 numbers. Okay, now second, 2 into 4 is equals to 8. This is the multiplication fact. Now 8 divided by first number is equals to the second number 4, and 8 divided by 4, the second number, answer must be first number 2. C part, 4 into 5 is equals to 20. Now 20 divided by first number 4, the answer will be 5. And when we divide product by second number, we get the first number 4. Okay, now try fourth and fifth part. Now division and multiplication table. What is the relation in division and multiplication table? 1 into 2 is equals to 2, means 2 ones are 2. This is the table. Okay, now when we divide this product by second number, 2 divided by 2, we get the first number. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. When we divide 4 by 2, we get first number 2. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Now divide 6 by first number, we get 3. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So it will be 3. Okay, 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Okay, because there are 8 stars, and in one group, a group with 2 stars, and total are 4 groups. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 stars. When we divide 8 by 2, we get the first number 4. Okay, 5 into 2 is equals to 10, and 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5, the first number. Okay, now try others. Exercise 4. Write two division facts for each multiplication. This is the multiplication. 1 into 2 is equal to 2, and we have to write the two division fact. Okay, now first division fact must be 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 1. We are dividing the product by first number and answer will be 2, the second number. And when we divide the second product by second number, 2 divided by 2, we get the first number 1. These are the two division facts. C part, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now product is 6, so 6 divided by first number 3. It will be equal to 2. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Okay. 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Now 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5, and 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. So these are the two division facts. You have to do only first, third and fourth question of this exercise. Okay, you will skip 2 and 5th and other remaining also. Only first 3, 4 has to be done. Okay. Using multiplication tables to divide. Now we have to use the multiplication table to divide. For example, 27 divided by 3. Now we have to check the table of 3 by which number we have to multiply by 3 to get 27. आपको 3 का टेबल देखना है और 3 के टेबल में किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आपको 27 मिल रहा है. This is the table of 3, and when we multiply 3 by 9, 3 into 9 is equals to 27. So this is the number. So when we divide 27 by 3 using division fact, when we divide the product by second number, we will get the first number. So answer will be 9. Okay. Same concept we have to use in this exercise. Exercise 5. 12 divided by 3. Now check the table of 3 by which number we have to multiply by 3 to get 12. This is the table for 3. This is the table. 4 into 3 is equals to 12. Means when we divide 12 by 3 we get 4. So answer is 4. Okay, आपको इसी तरीके से चेक करना है कि 3 से किससे 3 के टेबल में किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 12 आ रहा है. सो वही आंसर आएगा. ओके, दिस इज द टेबल. 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. नाउ वी हैव टू चेक फॉर द टेबल ऑफ 4. 4 into 6 is equals to 24. इन क्वेश्चंस के लिए आपको टेबल्स लर्न होना जरूरी है. ओके, एटलीस्ट अप टू 1 to 10 tables. 24 divided by 4. 4 into 6 is equals to 24. So when we divide 24 by 4, we get 6. Okay. 36 divided by 9. 9 into 4 is equals to 36. So when we divide 36 by 9, we get 4. Okay. You have to do 12 parts of this exercise. Okay, up to L. And we will skip exercise 6. Okay. Thank you.